Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Today we can see Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are in green. All the three index open gap up. The main reason was one, global clues was positive, and one more reason, index heavy weighted stocks like Reliance, HDFC and Infosys were strong and closed above 1%. These are the reason we can see a bullish in our market. Coming to Nifty chart, today Nifty opened gap up. It opened near all-time high, and later we can see a price movement in Nifty, and it has created new all-time high of 19,011. Here we can see it has broke previous all-time high. Later we can see uptrend in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty today opened gap up. Again it took a pullback. It took a support previous day high, and we can see a price movement upside. Here we had a previous all-time high. Here previous all-time high was broken, and it has created all-time high, new all-time high of 44,508 and closed in positive. Coming to Fin Nifty opened gap up, and we can see small correction here. And the price later in the first half we can see price upside movement. In the second half we can see some consolidation here and closed in positive. Since we have tomorrow holiday, for Friday's level what we can expect in Nifty. If Nifty opens flat and it breaks today's high, we can expect further upside movement. If Nifty breaks today's low, we can expect further downside in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, for Friday's level, we have a resistance over here, and the immediate support is here. Bank Nifty opens flat, and if breaks today's high, we can expect further upside movement. If Bank Nifty breaks today's low, we can expect further downside movement. Coming to Fin Nifty again we have a immediate resistance over here and the support today's low. For Friday, if market breaks today's high, we can expect further upside movement in Fin Nifty. If today's low it breaks, we can expect further downside movement in Fin Nifty. Thank you all. See you on Friday.